Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into quantum computing explained. Imagine a computer that can solve problems so complex, they're literally impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers today. We're talking about breakthroughs in medicine, materials science, artificial intelligence, and even cracking unbreakable codes. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's called quantum computing, and it's already here. What is quantum computing? High-level overview. So, what exactly is quantum computing? At its core, it's a completely new way of processing information, fundamentally different from the computers we use every day. While your laptop uses bits, electrical signals that are either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use qubits. And these qubits can do some seriously mind-bending things thanks to the weird and wonderful rules of quantum mechanics. Classical bits versus quantum qubits. Deep dive into bits. Let's quickly recap classical computing. Every piece of information, a photo, a video, this very script is broken down into a series of zeros and ones. Think of a light switch. It's either on 1 or off 0. A classical bit can only be in one state at a time. To process more information, classical computers need more bits. This binary system has served us incredibly well for decades, powering everything from your smartphone to supercomputers simulating weather patterns. The quantum leap, superposition. Now for the quantum leap, qubits. Qubits aren't just 0 or 1. Thanks to a quantum phenomenon called superposition, a qubit can be a 0, a 1, or both at the same time. Think of our light switch again. A classical bit is either on or off. A qubit is like a light switch that can be 0, 1, and every dimmer setting in between simultaneously. It's like a spinning coin. While it's in the air, it's both heads and tails until it lands. This means a single qubit can hold exponentially more information than a classical bit. 2 qubits can be in 4 states at once, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 3 qubits can be in 8 states, and so on. The power grows exponentially. The quantum connection, entanglement. If superposition blew your mind, get ready for entanglement. This is where things get truly weird, even for Einstein, who called it spooky action at a distance. When qubits are entangled, they become interconnected in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, no matter how far apart they are. Imagine you have 2 entangled coins. If you flip one and it lands on heads, you instantly know the other one landed on tails, even if it's on the other side of the universe. This isn't about communication faster than light. It's about their fates being intertwined from the moment they become entangled. Entanglement allows quantum computers to perform computations across multiple qubits simultaneously, leading to incredible processing power. How quantum computers work, simplified. So, how do these machines actually work? Quantum computers manipulate qubits using precise lasers, microwaves, and magnetic fields, often cooled to near absolute 0 to maintain their delicate quantum states. These manipulations are like quantum gates that perform operations on the qubits. Instead of performing one calculation at a time like a classical computer, a quantum computer can explore many possible solutions simultaneously due to superposition and entanglement. It's like having a library where you can read every book at once, instead of one by one. Eventually, the qubits collapse into a definite state, giving us the answer to our problem. Current state and challenges. Quantum computing is still in its early stages. We're not yet at the point where we have millions of stable, error-free qubits. Current quantum computers, often called NISQ, noisy intermediate-scale quantum devices, are powerful but prone to errors caused by their environment. Things like temperature fluctuations or electromagnetic interference can make qubits lose their quantum properties, a phenomenon called decoherence. Building a stable, error-corrected quantum computer is one of the biggest engineering challenges of our time. But incredible progress is being made by companies like IBM, Google, Microsoft, and many startups. The number of stable qubits is growing, and researchers are constantly finding new ways to make them more robust. The future, what quantum computing will chain. So, what can quantum computers do once they reach maturity? The applications are truly transformative. Drug discovery and materials science, simulating molecules with unprecedented accuracy to create new drugs, fertilizers, and revolutionary materials. Imagine designing a room-temperature superconductor, artificial intelligence, supercharging AI algorithms, leading to more sophisticated machine learning, pattern recognition, and decision-making. Financial modeling, optimizing complex financial models and risk assessment with incredible speed. Cryptography, breaking currently unbreakable encryption algorithms, but also creating new quantum-safe encryption methods. Optimization, solving incredibly complex logistical problems, like optimizing global supply chains or traffic flow in megacities. Is it a threat to classical computers? Does this mean your laptop is obsolete? Absolutely not. Quantum computers won't replace classical computers. They are specialized tools designed to solve specific types of problems that classical computers simply cannot. Think of it like this. A classical computer is great for arithmetic, word processing, and browsing the internet. A quantum computer is a supercalculator for very specific, incredibly complex equations. They will work together, each excelling at what they do best. Quantum computing is a field bursting with innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. It's a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. We're just at the beginning of this incredible journey, and the future promises to be truly quantum. What excites you most about quantum computing? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dive into the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.